Guys, we're at a different beach today. Figure I'd just show you the view, and we're gonna get started. All right, I'll turn it back on and get some targets. All right, got a target over here. Got a 20. All right, we got a scoop. Yeah, we got a penny. Shield penny. All right, we got another target here. 910. All right, got it in the scoop. I guess it's really tiny. Must have fell out of the scoop. All right, I'm gonna use the pin pointer. Oh, I got it. Piece of fishing tackle. All right, we'll bag it. All right, we got another target here. 21, 22. All right, got it in the scoop. Yep, got a penny. Another penny. All right, we're gonna bag that and see what else is. Is there any more targets? Let's see. Guess that's it. All right, keep on going. It's another penny. Got a target right here, 13. All right, it's in the scoop. And we got a nickel, nickel. Cool. Got a few pennies and now a nickel, so not really much. But we're gonna keep on swinging. We'll just see what happens. All right, we have another target. 13. All right, it's in the scoop. Yeah, it's another nickel. $95. All right, we got a 3-4 signal, right? Dig it up. It's out of the hole, right? Let's see. It's a piece of copper, I guess. Yeah. Piece of junk. Guys, we got a ring. I don't know. I gotta see if there's anything in it. It looks a little rusty, but we'll check it when we get home. These are like all over the place, bouncing everywhere from 17 down. All right, awesome. We're gonna keep on going. All right, just had a coin spill. Two pennies and a nickel. Doing pretty good. I'm gonna keep at it. All right, I just pulled another penny, but we got 26, 27 right here. Right, another penny. I want to see if there's a dime down there because it was ringing 26, 27. Let's see. All right, I guess that was it. Look at that view, guys. So you got the retainer ships out there. Just beautiful view. It's like a lake out there, the ocean. All right, got another target. 21, 22. Yeah, it's just coin spill. That's what it is. Let's get this. I love coin spills. Oh. And then we got more in the ground. Oh, we got a first quarter, I think. Yep. Yeah, it's been down here for a while. Yeah, I think we got. Let's see if there's any more coins. Yeah, I think we got a dime over here. Let's see. Yeah, we got a dime. I'll take a dime all the time. Just curious what year it is. Yeah, it's copper. But we'll take it. We'll take it. Anything else in here? Alright, I guess that's it, guys. Alright, we got another signal. 31, 26. Might have a coin spill. Let's check. Well, I guess it's just that one. It's in here still. It's in the hall. I guess there is more than one. All right, we finally got it, I think. Yeah, we got it. It's dime. Yeah, it's a dime. I'll take it all the time. Oh, it's so nice out here. I love it, guys. I love it. Well, we're heading back because I did pretty good. It's almost 6 o'clock, so I'll figure, you know what? Might as well get going. Hey everybody, here to do a quick wrap up of the latest hunt that I had at another beach. Found some change. I was only there for about a few hours. Probably did some detecting for about like 2 hours, I think I did. So, but it was nice though. I mean, it was just nice being out there. And yeah, we got like 1 quarter, 3 dimes, 3 nickels, some pennies, and I guess the find for the day was we got a ring. Now everybody, you're wondering, is this white gold? Well, I ended up taking this to the jewelry store and to see if it was some kind of gold. They did the 10K acid just like I did. It went through. They tried silver, that went through. He was telling me that this could be Mexican silver, but it weighed about like 5.6 grams because I weighed it and it didn't stick to a magnet. So, and I know there's 8 karat gold out there and 9 karat. So I even asked the guy to see if he could do 9 karat acid. He didn't have none of that. So, you know, I'm hoping I'm hoping this is at least 9 karat gold. I'm not gonna say it's non-precious because I really want to get like a honest, clear opinion. Like, test it for sure for like 9 carat, but maybe in a future video I'll see if it is or not. But as of right now, we don't know. We don't know what it is. All I know, it's a nice old ring, I can tell you that. I mean, I found it on the beach, so, and you can see it, it's split right here. So I guess someone must have tried to get his finger fit for it. But yeah, I think personally, you know, it's definitely going to go into the collection, and I'm going to have to take it to get more tests done to it, because I don't know, I feel like this is gold, you know. It has to be, because it didn't stick to a magnet, you know. It's got to be some kind of precious metal. If it is 9 karat gold, man, I'll be happy. But as of now, this one's still a question mark. Just gonna have to wait until I find a place that has maybe, you know, one of those electronic, you know, tells you if it's gold, how much gold's in there, or, you know what I mean, like checks platinum and all that. But I'm gonna have to look into that, because if it is, then hey, that'd be nice little thing of gold, right? But it was nice. We still got a ring. I'm happy. I'm gonna definitely hit the beach pretty soon again. But other than that, you know, things are good. I've been wanting to send the stickers out to everybody that I'm subscribed to, so I have to look into that and take care of that. I'm gonna give a big shout out to Dive and Detect. Big shout out to Dig and SoCal. Love all you guys. Snorkel Pirate. He's got an awesome channel, so you definitely gotta look him up. He's great. He does magnet fishing. He's actually gonna be buying himself a metal detector pretty soon, and I think he's gonna get like the 800, because he wants to do some detecting. But he's got a great channel. Definitely, you know, hit him up. Subscribe, like, comment. He's got a good channel. And then, you know, you got a bunch of other guys. You got what's his name, Robert Ferguson. He's great. He's got a great channel. I always watch him. You got, you know, the Gig Master. There's a lot. I just can't remember, because I got so many channels that I'm subscribed to. Tidewater Magnet Fishing. He's got an awesome channel too. You got a lot, but definitely tune into those guys. They'll appreciate it. But anyways, hope everybody has a good day, and I will see you guys on the next hunt. All right, bye.